I have a problem. This is my problem. These things. These things love to go outside. Okay guys, so I might have a solution to my problem. Check this out. A Catio. This is what I came up with on the computer. It's mainly 2x4s, pocket screwed together. I'm going to be putting a screen around all the windows and then laying some deck boards for the base of it. Then I have some brackets, 4 brackets that I plan on attaching to the house. Once they're attached, we will lift up the Catio onto them. Screw in the Catio to the house. We should be done. Oh, and I still need to create a little flappy door. Craig pocket hole jig, blue 2.5-inch exterior screws. So I'm running into the issue where my drill's too long to get into these tight little corners. It keeps coming in at too strong of an angle. But sometimes that's the best thing about a new project. New project means new tools. So I went and picked up this. This should do it. This thing's bigger than I expected. I mean, I'm 6 foot. It's pretty big. So for the primer, I use that Zinsser cover stain. That way the knots won't show through the white paint, and it does a really good job hiding the blue paint that's already on the 2x4s. Then for the top coat, I'm using this exterior grade. It's called DuraClean. It's white, so there you go. The braces are done. Check this out. I got Rubio Monocoat Antique Bronze on 2x4s. I think it turned out really cool though. It looks really nice and aged. I can't wait to get them up on the house. Then over here, the main frame is done. It's painted. We just have to add the screens and we should be good. Here's the plan for the brackets. I'm gonna get them up there, get them level, screw in 2 of these 4-inch spacks. They're like ledger bolts, they're really strong. Once I have all 4 up and level, I'm gonna try to lift the Catio up onto them, climb up there, and install these. These are 8-inch power lags. They'll go through the Catio sides straight into the house. These should definitely do the trick. I hope. The Catio is done. Not gonna lie, it was actually pretty hard getting the Catio all the way up, about like 14 feet up in the air on top of those brackets. But we got it done. So I bought this flappy door off of Amazon and then went to my local home improvement store, bought some plexiglass, cut a hole in it. I inserted the door into the plexiglass, and then I added some rubber gaskets around the glass to give it actually a little seal. Put it in the window. Took about 3 days and the cats finally got used to going in and out of it. Now they're totally good on their own. I am so happy with the way this project turned out. I think it looks amazing on the outside and the cats absolutely love it. So, win-win.